stars stacked so high, tinsel glows so bright, but it's a lonely sight on this silent night. Lost in the Christmas song, feeling all alone, missing home sweet home. Lost in the Christmas zone.
Greetings, me amiga as it is I, still Connor, still lost in late game zone. We're on Steer Wars 6, and I don't have no kind of idea what those little rebellion medallions, or is those Empire medallions? I have no idea why I'm collecting those. I've got 38. Is it important? Who knows? I mean, it's up there where my special power is, but it doesn't affect my special power to my knowledge. What are these? Little bouncies? Pardon me. Whoa, that's a crazy shield. Oh, I wanted that shield though. Cool. Detonator. 𝗪𝗭𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗧𝗪 Swedish chef Jawas. A lot of people don't know this, but the Swedish chef is actually a Jawa. Jim Henson actually... The Jawas are real, okay? They found them on Earth in the desert. And Jim Henson took one from when he was helping make Steer Wars. And he made the Swedish chef and a lot of the other puppets, Kermit. Those weren't puppets, actually. They were just Jawas that Jim Henson put in clothing. Kind of messed up, but... And felt. He felt it was the right thing to do to put felt on the Jawas and turn them into his puppets. Dude, fuck off. How do I get up there? No! Stop throwing shit on me. Jerk ass. Oh, I guess I gotta get up here. Dude, fuck off, dude. Oh, can I just go this way? Did I come this way? No, I didn't come this way. I don't think so. This may be pointless, though. That is very fun. Being able to do that. Boop-de-boo-boo. The music is so demure. For some reason, it's so weird. Fuck off, dude. And you too while I'm at it. And I'm not talking the band. Mommy! Had to use an old street magician's trick to make things right. I don't ever do it to be unfair. It's like, what are you gonna do? I don't ever use an old street magician's trick to be unfair. I only do it when the game was made by sadistic, satanic, demonic, evil, psychotic, brain dead, fucking shithead assholes. Which is this game. Great art, by the way. Beautiful looking game. Pretty fun in some parts, also sadistic and evil in other parts, so. Mommy! No! I think I fucked myself. Shit. Damn it. I think I'm fucked. God damn it. No! No! Sometimes an old street magician's trick goes wrong, you know what I'm saying? They don't let me double jump, bro. God damn it, no. Yes! Fuck yeah, dude. Here's to like, here's to saying never say die. 𝗪𝗿𝗪𝗿𝗪𝗿𝗪𝗏 et relinquis. Hell yeah, dude. 𝗪𝗿𝗪𝗿𝗪𝗏 et relinquis. Resist the devil and he will flee. For all of you plebites, Philistines out there, no, I just want to go up. This is a lot of fun, gotta tell ya. Whoops, I think that would have been the perfect time. God damn it. Oh, I can get up here, cool. Get that fucking Zoidberg away from me. 𝗪𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠 I am most definitely going backwards. I think? Dude, I don't know. This is a fucking labyrinth, bro. Did I come this way? I think I did. I didn't? Dude, what the hell? I feel so lost. No, okay, this is where I was. I think I was going... I'm just gonna go right. Okay, this is where I think I got confused. Because it was like I came up a shaft like this, now I'm going down a shaft like this. Dude, stop killing me, it's not cool. Or ethical. Or ethical. It's not ethical. Is it bad to be in spikes? This is a weird looking kind of background spikes, bro. What even is this? Cool, I guess. God, this sucks, dude. So much cheap shit in this. I feel a boss coming. Oh. That's just like a regular frog guy. You guys mode 7 did it. Oh, hell yeah, shields. What is this? So angering. Sometimes the bosses are just like the tiniest little easiest fucking shit where they load you with hearts, and then other times it's just a goddamn disaster. Greetings. I'm Jedi Knight Luke Skywalker. Release Han Solo to me and I will do you no harm, Jabba. There will be no bargain, Jedi. You'll regret this. I'm sure. But, I mean, Jabba doesn't speak English, so... Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I'll pick the guys that can just shoot instead of the guy that's got a sword. Sorry, it's just not gonna happen. What the fuck is this with their just immediately start me out being hurt? What a bunch of dicks. Is that a dinosaur egg? What is this fucking stage, dude? It's like... it's so monotonous and confusing. Well, that was cool. Kind of upside down dinosaur head or something. I'm down with that. I'm down with the kids. You know, in their hip-hap language. Yeah, blow R2 to hell. Here, R2, hold this. No, it's not an explosive. I don't care what your scanners say, just hold it. Yeah, it's beeping. That's some things beep. It's not a big deal. Just hold it and go over there. I'm not mad at you. I don't know what you're talking about. Just go over there behind that blast wall and hold this thing I gave you. It's a pretty fucked up scene I just depicted. It's probably because I have issues. I would never do that to R2 if I were Luke Skywalker. If I were Luke Skywalker, I would never give R2 an explosive and tell him to go behind a blast wall. What the hell is happening right now? Okay, I gave up. I gave up from going past where I needed to go is what happened. Give me that health sword. I'm already gonna die. What the fuck? A health sword is supposed to make everyone I kill give me hearts, and that is not happening. What the fuck? I have let my health get too low. Shit. I don't know where I am anymore. Alright, I imagine the holiday season is long over at this point, but we're gonna finish this shit. Or at least try. I mean, there is no try, there's only finish it. There's only finish this fucking bullshit Super Nintendo Star Wars series of games. There is no try. Meow, 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 meow. I love these guys. These guys are so fucking _𝗪𝗿𝗓𝗓𝗓. That's who I was trying to remember. _𝗪𝗿𝗓𝗓𝗓 is the stop motion animation guy. Something very _𝗪𝗿𝗓𝗓𝗓 about those Battletoad-esque pig brutes, green pig brutes. Fuck off! Dude, I could really use some heartage, bro. Oh no, what does R2 even get me? Is that like an extra life? Fuck this, dude. Fuck these fucking little _�ฤ𝗏𝗏 volcanoes, dude. Fuck that shit. And why are there... Okay, it was an egg. I cracked it open and got those sweet, delicious gnocchis. Alright, had to use an old street magician's trick. Stupid ass fucking volcano bullshit. God, these fucking things. Fuck this. That took so much fucking power away from me. Have I gone backwards? Dude, I don't fucking know. This shit's so fucking crazy. Maybe I've gone backwards? I don't have a fucking clue. Big hot! I think I'm doing good. No, that wasn't an extra life. Oh, dude, these fucking volcanoes. I hate them. It's not anything I can... I guess I just have to wait for them. No! Goddamn R2 volcano. Thermal detonator! Hell yeah! Detonate the shit out of these motherfuckers. That should have thermal detonated you, you bastard. God, those volcanoes suck. They both look stupid and are painful. Shouldn't be shooting out little popcorn orange pellets. It should be like beautiful flowing lava. Why isn't that hurting that thing? God damn it. I'm so fucking angry. Oh, there was a big heart right there. Not too far away. Wait, how far behind am I? Oh, this sucks. Alright. Oh no! No, it's stupid popcorn volcano. Everything in this is shit. Big heart, yay. Those little froggies are so cute. Detonate these motherfuckers. Shield. Shield. Oh, that's a fasty thing, I guess. No, I didn't want that. Am I still fasty? Fasty sucks in this. I don't really care about that. God damn it. God damn it. God damn this shit. I need a heart, you bastards. Do not put me at a boss with 0 health, you fucks. Dude, god damn it. Oh, there's a big ass heart. Ooh. I've got this sneaking suspicion that they're gonna do some real dick shit of putting me at like a big ass boss with no fucking health. Slicing up frogs like it's science class. Whipping out my light dick. Couldn't think of anything that rhymed with light dick. Why is this a thing? Why is this happening? Wait, I just came this way. What am I supposed to go up here? Oh, I can go up here. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's this thing. That's a good thing. Thank you so much, game, for giving me that right when it's fucking most nightmarish to get through this shit. Oh, cool. Sweet. Thank you. So cool of you. No, I had a light protectee hurt from 𝗪𝗿. How am I supposed to get up here? Am I supposed to go up there? Did I go all this way for nothing? I wouldn't put it past this game for that to be true. How the hell did I even get up here? It's not really a power-up, it's just a filling of my meter. I'm so fucking confused. Well, I have no idea what the hell is happening. I feel so fucking lost. Okay. Getting hard boss vibes. I think a boss is about to happen. And what are you gonna do? See you on the next transmission to fight this boss I'm sure is coming up.
Cold charms, no arms to hold when the show's done. Dark dreams, torn seams, he's lost till the light's gone. Empty words, shadows heard in the haze of the nightfall. Pitch pain, no gain in the hunger's deep.